This might be the weirdest ending to a Roblox studio I've ever seen. Big Games, the team behind Pez Simulator, My Restaurant, Big Paintball, just disappeared. No goodbye video, no big farewell update, just a cat in a hoodie. Oh, I'm not joking about that, that is the actual tweet. And then, the next day, we got a 14-word explanation that somehow made people even angrier. Players who spent thousands on these games, furious. And honestly, I can see why. So here's how it actually went down. The day after the cat tweet, a fan asked Preston what happened, and instead of, making a proper post or video, he replied with one single tweet. 14 words, that's it. We moved on, Roblox stopped showing the games to people, too expensive to run. Years of updates, millions of players, reduced to basically, we're done, too pricey, no roadmap, no explanation about what's next, just we've moved on. And that was the official send-off for some of Roblox's biggest games ever. And yeah, the community did not take that well. People who spent thousands in Pet Simulator were furious. Some of them even called it the biggest slap in the face they've ever gotten from a dev. Because while Preston was telling players it was too expensive to run, the merch store was still selling expensive limited drops. The timing couldn't have been any worse. And for a lot of players, it wasn't even about the money. It was about how quickly everything ended. No big final update, no proper goodbye, nothing. Just we're done and back to selling merch. Here's the thing, Preston blames Roblox's algorithm for killing their games. And maybe that's true. One change in how Roblox recommends games can completely tank your player count overnight. I've seen it happen to other devs too, but even if the algorithm is to blame, this isn't how you handle it. These games had entire communities built around them, people who logged in every single day, people who spent hundreds, even thousands supporting the updates. And instead of talking to those people directly, we got a cat picture, and then we moved on. That's what really stings. Not just that the games ended, but the way they ended. This whole situation is a reminder of how fragile Roblox development really is. One algorithm change and years of work can just vanish. And if you're a player, the games you love can be gone with zero warning. But it's also a reminder of how quickly trust can disappear. People forget bugs, bad updates, even pay-to-win mechanics. But ghosting your community like this, that's hard to come back from. So yeah, Big Games has officially quote-unquote moved on. What they move on to next, who knows? But I do know one thing. If this is how you treat your most loyal players, don't expect them to line up for the next project. Anyways, let me know what you think about this whole mess in the comments. And if you like videos like this, want to check out my others. We're almost at 1,000 subs, so if you enjoyed the video, subscribe. See ya.